Does your dog ever need a quick refresh, but you don't want to give them a full bath? Well, that happens all the time with us, and these glove-style dog wipes have been such an easy way to keep them fresh in between baths. I'm going to show you how these work, why the glove design is so convenient, and why I think these are especially helpful for those everyday moments when your pet just needs a little cleanup. And I want to thank HICC Pet for sending us these wipes to try out. These are the HICC Pet Deodorizing Pet Glove Wipes, and you get 20 large wipes in the package. The biggest difference between these and traditional pet wipes is the design. Instead of holding a small wipe in your hand, you actually slide your hand inside like a glove, which gives you a lot more control when you're cleaning your dog. I love this for full body cleanups because you can easily wipe down larger areas like their back, sides, and legs. Dogs pick up so much when they're outside, whether it's dirt, dust, dander, or just everyday outdoor residue, and this makes it really easy to give them a quick refresh. But the reason I think this style is so helpful is actually because of the areas that can be harder to clean with a regular wipe. Because it fits right on your hand, it makes it easier to gently clean areas like their paws, around their face, their ears, and other spots where you want a little more control. I also really like that it doesn't require water or rinsing, so if your dog doesn't love bath time or you just don't want to set everything up for a full bath, this is a much simpler option for a quick cleanup. The wipes are made with a soft canvas-like material, so they feel gentle while you're wiping your dog down. The formula includes ingredients like fermented coconut oil, aloe vera, and oat extract, and they have a light coconut scent that leaves its coat smelling nice and fresh. These are also really convenient for travel. If you're taking your dog camping, on road trips, hiking, or anywhere they're going to get dirty, these are easy to pack and have on hand. I think these HICC Pet Deodorizing Glove Wipes are a really convenient product for pet owners who want an easy way to keep their pets fresh between baths. Whether it's after outdoor play, before company comes over, during travel, or just a quick everyday cleanup, I love having something simple like this available. If you're looking for an easier way to freshen up your dog without doing a full bath every time, these are definitely worth checking out.